Mohan's expenditures and savings are in the ratio 4:1. His income increases by 20%. If his savings also increase by 12%, by how much percent would his expenditure increase? Now, Mohan's expenditure and savings are in the ratio 4:1. So, expenditure we can assume to be 4x, and savings we can assume them to be x. Now, these are the original expenses and savings. So, the income is nothing but expenditure plus savings. So, therefore, we can say that the income is 5x. Now, his income increases by 20%. So, the new income becomes 1.2 multiplied by 5x, that is 6x. If his savings also increase by 12%, now his savings were x, so the new savings will be 1.12 multiplied by x, that is 1.12x. Now, income minus savings is equal to expenditure. So, new expenditure will be equal to 6 minus 1.12, that is 4.88x. Now, new expenditure is 4.88x. Now, the question asked is by how much percentage would his expenditure increase? Now, the original expenditure is 4x, new expenditure is 4.88x. So, percentage increase we have to find out. The formula is increase. Now, the increase is 0.88x upon the original value, that is 4x into 100. So, x gets cancelled out. 0.88 into 100, that becomes 88 upon 4. We get the answer as 22%. So we can conclude that the expenditure has increased by 22%.